radar slideshow together. This is all the data that I collected off and on from last several days. The hurricane off the coast of Florida. It was a Category 5, but downgraded. So we've been kind of watching it off and on as it goes up the coast of Florida. The winds are pretty strong, on the coast itself. So I don't think these are 100% in order, because I didn't name them right when I saved them as movie clips. But we've got some data here. This is right here, definitely. So we've been watching it. We're putting some other stuff together too for y'all. This is powered by Radar Scope. It's a $40 app. You pay $10 a year for the Pure 1 service. And it's pretty much real time, almost. About 3 to 5 minutes off max. Actually 2 to 5 minutes off. So I'm averaging probably about 2 minutes off real time of real radar. So you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click and subscribe. This is Charles Wetter. I'm signing off. This is my update, 9/5/19 on the hurricane on the East Coast. Here's my radar data. Top is left is radar. Top right is velocity. Bottom left is a rainfall. Bottom right is a digital rainfall. But we've been watching this, and if possibility, it's still going to hit landfall on the East Coast somewhere. So we're going to kind of still watch it. But we're taking it day by day. This is Charles Wetter signing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.